Hello fam, gardening fam. So I'm back again. So what we're doing is a little time lapse. So remember I told you that this garden, when I did my long video, that this garden was already, this garden number one, was already pretty much dug up the way I wanted it dug up. But I didn't want to put too much because we were going to be replacing windows and siding. So I didn't want them to be stepping on plants that I put here, because at some point we're going to put roses here. So right now you're just going to see a whole bunch of cleanup and some mulch going down so it look nice and pretty. So that'll be another bed that is done completely. And so that's it. Watch me work and sweat. Hey guys, okay, so we are done. Sydney, if you want to take a picture. So these are the plants that I salvaged for the front bed. This is, remember, this is bed number one. So Sydney's painted, there's mostly just daylilies. I have one mondo grass and about 3 peonies. So let me show you some of, and break a myth for you. This is a daylily. Right, I'm gonna leave this on until it gets really dry. But notice the color is a burgundy. The myth is that daylilies only come in yellow, and they're short and small, and that's the only colors you can get. And so most people don't even want daylilies. Daylilies come in from the creamiest white to the darkest purple. So you can get reds, and I'll show you some in just a minute. Reds, oranges, yellows, and of course I have a yellow here. I actually put this bench on top of it not knowing that it was there, and it came up anyway because it's a daylily and it's the toughest plant that I've ever planted. Have some peonies mixed in here. These are finished blooming. They bloom early in the spring. And then there's one back there. I don't cut off the blooms until the end of the year unless they're like really nasty. And then here's another daylily. That beautiful kind of light coral pinkish color. I love these. And so we'll put the bird bath in at the end and have it looking nice, but we don't want to put too much in this bed because, like I said, we'll be getting siding and windows. You don't want to put permanent plants in here, and you're going to have to dig them up. Okay, now let's take a look at some daylilies. This daylily, might as well pull that up. Okay, this is a nice one. Look at that. This is Little Business. So this is its mature height, and it keeps giving you blooms because it's Little Business and it stays busy. That's what I love about it. This one I ordered online. I have no idea what it is, but it's a daylily. This one, as you see, gets about 18 to 24 inches. And it's stunning. I have it mixed in with lilies. These lilies been in here for about 15 years, so they're not going nowhere. And difference between lilies, this is an Asiatic lily, so it doesn't have the little spots on the inside, and it doesn't have a scent. Okay, so if you have allergies, this is perfect for you. The Oriental lilies are the lilies that have spots in the middle. There's spots all down in the middle of here, and they have a strong scent. And so those give off like stargazer lilies, the ones you see in funerals. I'm sorry, but I love them. But yeah, they're always in funerals. And this one's getting ready to bud for this daylily, and this is huge. I have no idea what that is. Okay, so that is the end of the video. I'm glad you guys tuned in with me today, and we'll see you next week. Thank you. Okay, so just wanted to let you know what's in store for next week's video. we're going to do a small bed up under this beautiful crepe myrtle. This is an upright crepe myrtle, and this one, I believe, is the one that's going to give me pink. I believe so. I have plants there, but I have some in the back that are pink and some in the white. So the white one on the corner was somebody did. Really plain? Okay. So, as you can see, this is reclaimed. This used to be a huge garden bed, so I really took it down quite a bit. It used to take up this whole area, so I brought it back, and so now we're gonna till all that up. This circle where you see the dark mulch is gonna be a circle with brick, some reclaimed bricks, some newer brick pavers, and that's all gonna be cleaned out. We gotta dig up all those daylilies over there, which you know I love them, so they'll probably be up in this bed somewhere, and we're just gonna clean all that out and mulch it really good, so that it'll be a nice little centerpiece. And so, still not sure. I think we're gonna put a whole bunch of ground covers right here, so we don't take too much away from the tree itself. And so that's what's on next week's. I'll see you guys then.